right, we're gonna drive Cletus style. No hood. All right, hood on. Isn't that something?
I would never believe that if you told me that.
Looking good. Got that booty now. Car looks mean, car looks amazing, it feels great, but we want to get some side steps on this guy. So we're gonna have the Evolution Performance Kit to install what just got delivered. Our Wolf box, yes, Wolf box makes side steps for your F-150. So close it up. Go ahead. All right. Hope this message finds you all well and in great spirits. You know I love Bane, the boosted F-150, but it's an STX model, so we did some things to upgrade it to make it like a premium. We did the cat skin leather, but now we're gonna do today is it side steps. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. Car looks mean, car looks amazing, it feels great, but we want to get some side steps on this guy. So we're gonna have the Evolution Performance Kit to install what just got delivered. Our Wolf box, yes, Wolf box make side steps for your F-150. So link in the description, check them out. I do have the Wolf box in the mirror as well, but they make side steps, so appreciate them hooking us up and get this premium feel on our STX Whipple. You can see I have my Wolf box right here, and we use it to check out the screen, what's going on. Love the Wolf boxes, they're great. Great. All right, guys, we're here at Evolution, and yes, we've been taking forever because the schedule's been crazy, but we have some boxes to unbox too in this video, because you're gonna see later, we're gonna have a full Anderson carbon fiber truck for being the F-150, but today, we're gonna do the side steps from Wolf box, and then we're gonna show you some of the unboxing to end the video of the Anderson Composites carbon fiber. Isn't that something?
I would never believe that if you told me that.
Looking good. Anderson Composites, in my opinion, the best carbon fiber, but
yes,
it's gonna be on
it's the best.
The boosted F-150, so good stuff. Even got the heat shielding right there, cool. I got you. I was gonna do the cowl hood, but I was like, everyone's got cowl, so.
No, I like that hood right
this
there.
Looks good, yeah.
Them heat extractors.
All right, looks fire. It's gonna look mean. All right, we're gonna drive Cletus style. No hood. All right, hood on. Let me put the camera up so we can see how it looks from here. That looks fire, dude. That looks fire. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, that looks good. Looking mean. Shout out Anderson Composites. All right, this is the Wolf box new kit. Electric running boards for Bane, the F-150. So what's cool about this, we went from a STX, which is a base truck, we're making it kind of a premium with this electric running board. So this is new. So we're looking forward to see how it all plug and plays and looks good. This is all your electronics here. The harnesses we need. Should be all plug and play. These are the actual steps which will fold down, so looks good. So you don't even need a lift for that. Look at that. Taking the stock one off. Time for the... Got that booty now. All right, bro, we got the hood on, but can I stop by? This is what we need left. The grill and the front and lower bumper, but I need your help. That's what I need your help with. Everything else is set. All right. So far, so good, Steve? Pretty straightforward?
Yeah.
Plug and play?
So far.
All right.
Yeah, instructions are nice.
And I like that Steve's doing this without a lift, so see you guys can do it without a lift, which is nice.
Yeah, honestly, it's easier because you have the lift arms. So then when you go to put the boards on.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Yeah, it kind of, I mean, it sucks, but it's easier. It ends up being easier that way.
All right, guys, all the instructions are here clearly in this nice booklet here for you. All the wires, zip ties, plug and play. Oh, that's from Wolfbox. That's their controller module?
Yep, exactly.
Wow.
And then you'll run you run a couple wires inside that basically get the signal for the door to open. And then this will take that signal and apply it to the motors, and that's what...
They'll actuate them to open.
Yeah, that's what actuates.
Cool. Cool stuff. That's why, you know, you could do it yourself, but that's why I take it to places like Evolution, just get it professionally done so I can just see the finished product. But you can do it yourself, but I'm not as mechanically inclined. I like to hit the gas. Let's go. This is dope too. Carbon fiber. Go ahead.
That one, obviously the board's not on.
Yeah, that's nice.
Because that has the motor, and then they just basically...
It follows suit. Okay, we'll close it up. Go ahead. All right. Gives you time to, you know, I'm able to walk, jump on. All right, cool. That's trick. This is when it becomes officially a premium truck. Electric side steps from Wolfbox. Ooh, they paid me to do that, guys. Is that a wolf sound? Wolf sound like that, right? Maybe I'll put a wolf sound effect, like the NWO Wolf Pack.
What is it?
The Wolf Pack. This is back early 2000s. We probably were kids still.
How can you pump up a crowd any more than they're pumped up tonight?
Woo. All right, guys, take a look. Very, very high quality, sturdy. Looks good. There's also an installation video here for you guys, so you can check that out. I gotta get this. So, what you were saying about that Wolfbox?
I'd say like it's probably like one of the higher quality ones for sure. Like plug and play, definitely plug and play compared to some of the other ones where it's not so much so.
Yeah, and it was really, I love the quality. Even it's quiet. It's a quiet noise.
It's definitely.
And like the LEDs are cool. And then it operates nicely. Sweet.
Duckbill's sick.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah.
Clean, dude.
Good stuff. Thanks, brother.
Got it.
Thanks again, Evolution Performance. Steve, killing it. Even though it's not lowered yet, it has a good profile.
Getting there.
We're gonna get there. Fire. And you guys, what I love about these steps is just a reminder, these are military grade material, and on top of that, it can handle 660 pounds per board, so you can jump in with your big boys or your whole family can sit on this board. And on top of that, it also is good, it can mod with you. If you want to lift the truck, it's lower enough, it comes down, and it is waterproof, dustproof, mudproof. It'll come right off. So again, big shout out to, I keep saying Wolfpack, Wolfbox. Wolfbox. Appreciate them making my life easier and yours. Let's go. Now see, this is what I like. Clean, open the door. Oh. Looks good. Close the door.
smooth. Looking good. Wolf box, holla at me, Lincoln.